Good evening. My name is Jatan. I am from CSE department. In today's topic, we are going to see about computer networks. In that computer networks, already we have seen how to build a networks and what are the requirements of network. So now we will see about the topologies. Topologies is nothing but it is a connection how the network works. So you have 6 types of connection. The first one is your bus topology. In your bus topology, you will be having a single connection whereas a system is connected to a single connection, whereas there can be multiple devices, but it will be connected to only a single cable, and it will be sharing the communications to each of the systems. The system may be of system 1, system 2, system 3 and system 4. It might be of any systems which shares a communication through your single cable. So next we are going to see about the star topology. So in your star topology, what you will be having is, you will be having devices which is connected to a switch or a hub. So you will be having a star topology like this, but whereas everything will be connected to a switch or a hub. So this is your star topology. So next is your ring topology. In your ring topology, there can be many devices. Even it is sharing the same communication, but it will be sharing it in your closed loop. It will be sharing your connection in your closed loop. So through this way, it is a ring topology where it can be connected. So next is your mesh topology. In your mesh topology, what happens? It connects each and every devices. It will not even over here it is connecting from one device to another device, and from this device to this device. But whereas in your mesh topology, it connects each device. If suppose one device is over here like this and another device is like this. For example, we can have 6 systems where we are having. So now I have drawn 5 and 6. Okay, you are having 6 systems. So when you are connecting these systems, it can be connected from each and every systems. It can be connected. No systems will be left out. It checks whether every system is connected in your mesh topology. Even every device should be connected without leaving a single device. So in your tree topology, everyone knows what is a tree. You will be having a parent node, you will be having a child node, whereas you can be connecting it. So what happens, once if you take a tree structure, it will start from the parent device, and from there you can be sharing the next devices. For example, nowadays, for example, you can say as a browsing, whereas we can go for a computer center for browsing. Nowadays everyone is having mobile phones in our hands. So where we will be using Google Chrome, we will be using a 5G network for that to access. But in those days, if you see a few years back, we had a browsing center where single system, if we just access a system only, they will give a password and they will be opening a system. Suppose if this is a main system, there will be a person who is operating this main system, and there will be many systems connected to this. It may be many devices connected to this. But when we go to a browsing center, unless we get an permission from this person, from this particular person, and then only he will just tell. You can just go to system number 1 or system number 2 or system number 3 or system number 4. So he will be telling us which system we should be going in. So that time he will just tell us to use the system number 3. So that way what he is doing, he is having a parent and a child node connection by using such kind of examples. So next is your hybrid topology. Hybrid topology is nothing but it will be combining all your topologies. For example, it will be combining bus, it will be combining star, it will be combining ring, mesh, tree, and hybrid will not be coming since we are just seeing this hybrid connection. So if you see, the connection may be of a bus type connection, or the connection may be of a ring topology connection. It may be like this, or you can be having a star topology connection where this end, every end connects together in your network, or even you can be having a mesh connection where every devices is connected. So even you can connect your devices like this or through your single cable. So through this what happens, we have seen the topologies and its how it's functioning the networks. So in your next class we'll see about another topic. Thank you.